got there, Lily?
It's a present.
Oh, okay.
Let's open it up.
Okay, open it up. Here, open it up. Here. Whoa, look at all that stuff. Is there toys?
Candy.
What's that?
Stickers. We got stickers.
Wow.
And also, here's a keychain.
Wow. You want me to open it?
Yeah. Buckle candy. Open it, Mama.
That's a cool egg.
And with pictures.
Wow, that's a cool keychain.
And also, baby.
Yeah. What's in that? What's that? Oh, Spider-Man stickers?
Yeah.
That's cool.